Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Adobe After Effects CC 2024. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Find and Replace text script, so you can search for any source text in your projects and replace that text with any other text that you want. Here I have a composition with a bunch of text layers. If I click in the search field and just start typing out source, you will see there is a source text property for each text layer. The source text just refers to whatever text you have on that layer. And for an easy way to search for any source text in your composition, so maybe you want to change a word or a character, or maybe you discover a typo and you want to replace it with the correct word, you can use the Find and Replace text script. First, select the text layers that you want After Effects to search. So you can press the Command or Control key and click to select individual layers. You can press one layer, hold the Shift key to select a bunch of layers all in a row, or in my case, I'm just going to drag a selection so that all of the text layers are selected. With the text layers selected, go to the top menu, click on File, Scripts, then select Find and Replace Text. You'll get this little pop-up dialog box. So first, you need to tell After Effects what source text you want to find or search for. So I'll click. Now I want to replace all of these lowercase Mike with an all caps Mike. So first, I'll type out lowercase M-I-K-E. And if I just want to narrow my search so I only see all of the source text that look just like this, I'll click Find All, and there you'll see all of the layers that did not contain the lowercase Mike were deselected, and now only these are selected. And now I need to tell After Effects what I want to replace that with. So I'll go to the replacement text, click, I'll type all caps, so Shift M-I-K-E, and now I'm just going to click Replace All. And just like that, all of those lowercase Mikes were replaced with the all caps. And if you look in the layers panel, you'll see the layer name was also updated. With the Find and Replace Text dialog box still open, I see here that I have a typo in my last name. The Murphy is missing an H. So I'll go to the Find Text box. I'm going to click. I'll type in capital M-U-R-P-Y. And I want to replace it with Murphy. So capital M-U-R-P-H-Y. I'll click Replace All, and I get this error message telling me that Murphy was not found in any of the selected layers and no changes were made. The reason I got this error message was because I did not have any text layers selected. So I'll click OK. I'll drag a selection over everything. Now I could just click Replace All, but I'll click Find All again, just so you can see. I'll click Find All. That's going to narrow my search to only source text that contains this exact phrase or this exact word. And I'll click on Replace All. And just like that, it replaced the typo with the correct version. So if you have a bunch of text layers and you want to make some changes, but you don't want to have to manually click and type out the new words, well, you can use the Find and Replace Text. Just select the text layers that you want to search, go to the File menu, Scripts, Find and Replace Text. I'll click, I'll enter in the text that I want to replace exactly the way that I see it. If I want to make sure that I've selected the right text, I'll click Find All. That's going to narrow the search, and I can type out the new text. And if you want to see what the script does, click on this little question mark and you get some more information. But I'll go ahead and click Replace All. And just like that, all of the text has been replaced. That is how to use the Find and Replace text script in Adobe After Effects CC 2024. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.